Hello everyone, this is Ms. Lodato and I'm the Director of Library Services here at Santa Margarita. And what we're going to do today is that I'm going to help you with your Schools of Thought research. Okay, before we dive into the online databases, I want you to log in to easybib.com and sign up for a free account. Once you do that, I would like you to log in. And we're going to create a new project titled Schools of Thought. Choose English as the subject. Just type in works cited. And this is very important. Choose MLA 8. Do not check this and hit create. I already have a works cited for Schools of Thought, so I'm just going to leave that here. With your Schools of Thought, click on Bibliography, which is the same thing as a works cited. And what you should see on your page is a Schools of Thought on the upper left along with Bibliography. Alright, now we're ready to go onto the databases, and I'm going to show you two ways of how to get on there. So right now, let's go onto the Learning Portal and log in. On the left-hand side, on the navigation pane, click on Site Home. Under Course Categories, scroll on down and click on General Academics. You'll see Library right here. Click on that, and it'll take you to our online databases page. And it'll take you to EBSCO Discovery Service. And for an example, let's type in existentialism, and you can hit search. Okay, so that is one way of how to access our online databases. So I will show you a second way. You want to open up the Santa Margarita homepage. You want to hover over Academics and scroll on down. Click on Library Media Center. And once you get onto the Library Media Center's homepage, it's really simple to get onto the online databases. This is the way I prefer to go to the databases because you'll already see the Search Discovery Service for SCHS search box right here. So you click on that, and then you can just type in existentialism right here and hit search. And it'll take you straight to the databases. Now, what I like about EBSCO Discovery Service is that it'll start right away with a topic overview, which is similar to Wikipedia. You'll notice up here is that before you can access any of the information in databases, is that it'll ask you to log in. So let's log in first. And the user ID and password is all in lowercase. The username is SMCHS, and the password in lowercase is Eagles, plural. Log in. And now you'll be able to access all of the information. With EBSCO, what's really nice is that it'll search not only the online databases, but it'll access books that are in the library, and it searches not only EBSCO, but if you click on Limit by Database and click on Show More, it searches all of the databases that Santa Margarita subscribes to. So we do not have to X out of EBSCO and click around. We could just search within EBSCO. Right, let's click on Existentialism, the research starter. And let's say you're an audio-visual learner, so you could actually listen to the article instead of reading it. And the fun thing is you can change accents. Let's say you want to keep this article for your works cited. So under Tools, click on Cite. And here you'll see the different citation formats. And with Santa Margarita, we use the MLA Works Cited Cite. To make creating a works cited page easier, we want to export to bibliographic management software. So click on that. And again, we're using EasyBib, so click on Direct Export to EasyBib. Hit Save. And we want to import it without a summary. So we want to import it without abstracts. So hit Import without abstracts. And again, it should take you to the Schools of Thought bibliography project, and you have a citation here. I already created a School of Thought works cited, so here are my different citations right here. Let's go back to EBSCO. Let's go back to our search results. And let's say I want to look at a different database. So to do that, let's go to Limit by Database. Click on Show More. And let's say I only want to click on Literary Reference Center. And let's update, and I just want to look at that database, Literary Reference Center. Click on Update. And let's say I like this result right here, so click on that. And let's say I like this article, hit Cite. Hit Export. Direct to EasyBib, save. Import without abstracts. And you get the idea. Okay, let's say I want to do a completely new search. So click on New Search on the upper left. And let's search magic realism now. Hit search. Again, you'll see the research starter. Click on that. I like this article. Hit Cite. Export to EasyBib. export to EasyBib, save, import without abstracts. You'll get the citation. Okay, let's say I want to find something on Bloom's literature. So to do that, let's type in biographical criticism. Let's hit search. Now, with Bloom's Literary Reference Center Online, that is one of the few databases that EBSCO Discovery Service does not search. So to do that, on the right-hand side are the few databases that EBSCO Discovery Service does not search. So let's click on Facts on File, Bloom's Literary Reference Online. The username and password is smchs eagles. Log in. Let's search biographical criticism again. Hit search. Click on an article. Let's say I like it. Click on citation. Export to EasyBib. With Bloom's, it doesn't create a citation automatically, but you can scroll on down, hit create citation, and it creates your citation for you. Here's the author, and it saves it for you right here. Now let's say you want to create a works cited, so click on export, click print as Word doc, click download for MS Word, hit open down here, click on enable editing at the top, and you have a beautiful works cited that's already formatted for you. Now, I must stress that even though the works cited is created for you, you always want to check for accuracy against Al Purdue or the MLA 8 handbook, and that is it. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you guys all have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.